Okay, today is June 16, year 2024. Today is Father's Day. Okay, this time I'm going to run my yacht. This yacht using 2S LiPo. I'm using two battery pack connected in parallel. One is 2000 milliampere hours and the other one is 1300. So that's about total of 3300 milliampere hours. And it's 10:57. Anong oras na ba? 10:53. So let's try to run it for only 5 minutes and see. So let's run it for only 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Look like going to rain. So this is my third run because the motor keeps getting hot. By the way, this yacht using two motor, using RS380 motor, and it's using differential to turn left and right. So there's no rudder. It's using differential in propeller. Ang nice thing about this one, it can make a very tight turn, no? I'm going to tight turn. Uy. Anyway, pwede na siguro.
4 minutes na.
4 minutes na. Okay. Let's try to open it. Let's see if it's getting hot. Okay, let's check the motor. It's getting hot. Wait, I'll open it here. There's the 2 ESC. Ooh, it's hot. And the motor. There's the 2 motor. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.